the new Camry I've gotten. 2026 Camry in the ocean gem color. Just waxed it all up. And I put these blackout emblems on the front and the rear. I'll show you back here. I don't understand. They had the Camry was already in the blackout. Them are blackout overlays. It's a kit I bought. So they're on the back. You see they were chrome. I don't know why, but the Camry wasn't. But anyway, everything's blacked out now. I got the complete little set. Put it on it today. Waxed it up with some Meguiar's Platinum Ultimate wax. And yeah, it's ready for fall. It's ready for whatever I guess it's thrown at it. So anyway, there's my new 2026 Camry. And that thing is nice, looking very nice. I got wax in every nook and cranny, even in the door sills and the trunk. So there it is. She's all ready for this fall. I'm gonna take a couple trips this week with it. I'm off. So 2026 Camry SE.